Hi, I'm Chef Tyler with UT Culinary Institute, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make an asparagus and brie quiche. What we're going to start with first is we're going to start with 4 eggs, 1 cup of half and half, and some salt and pepper. This is going to be the base for our quiche. Make sure you guys mix it well so that all the eggs are broken up and evenly distributed. We'll set our batter to the side. We're using a pre-baked pie shell. We got it out of the frozen section, put it into an oven, and lightly baked it in the oven. We're now going to add the layers and flavor to our quiche. I'm using grilled asparagus on the bottom. We have about 7 pieces that we're going to stretch across the bottom of the quiche. Our next layer is going to be cooked bacon. The next item we're going to add is sliced brie. Okay, we have brie slices. We're going to put around the edge. 2 in the middle. Okay. The next ingredient we're going to add is shredded Gruyere cheese. Make sure everything's spread out nice and evenly. We're going to come now and we can add our batter. We're going to add our garnishes on top. We're going to garnish with asparagus and cherry tomato. We sliced our cherry tomatoes in half. This is going to go into a 325-degree oven for about 25 minutes or until the egg is set. As we pull it out, we'll find that our quiche is nice and golden brown from the Gruyere cheese that's melted. We have our asparagus that's cooked and our cherry tomatoes. Allow it to cool before you cut it. And for serving, we recommend a light salad. To go with it, we did arugula with shredded Parmesan, tomatoes, and red onion. For this recipe, go to alumni.utk.edu/countdown and go Vols.